Huh? Huh? Oh, jeez, it's not like I didn't know it was coming. Oh, man. It's like, what did I eat last night? Oh, it's putrid. Oh, I'll just pretend like it didn't happen and maybe it'll go away. Oh, my fault. It's not going anywhere. Blame this one on the dog.